All right, y'all. It is officially day 2. Day 1 was lots of traveling, settling in, a little bit of dinner. So day 2, we are headed to a rainforest. Like, I'm so excited. So yeah, let's get this adventure started. Costa Rica, let's go.
All right, so 2 hours later, 3 hours later, really, we made it to the entrance of the rainforest. It's sprinkling a little bit, but it's so green and beautiful. I got a walking stick. I really don't need it, but got it just in case. and they're gonna make you sign a waiver, and they give you lunch. There's our lunch options. Just a risk and liability waiver. No biggie. Let's go hike.
Conservation, research, and investigation. We have a program called Programa Jaguar that studies and monitors the behavior of jaguars around the area. So, jaguars, yeah. So, for example, yesterday we were watching the footage and we saw a jaguar nearby the property. So, just for you to know, there's no danger, but there are jaguars around the area.
They're nocturnal.
Say what, man? Did he say jaguar?
We use trap cameras.
Y'all, this ain't no joke.
Right before loading. So this is our World Investigation Center.
Oh, look at these steps, y'all. You can definitely smell the sulfur. My husband will get the rest of my video.
So which one is the coldest one first?
Okay, so we're going to the blue waterfalls, right?
Mhm.
Which are the ones that are the coldest. And then we're gonna go to different other pools and end up in thermal, in the El Pilon thermal pool.
Excellent.
Guys, just for you to know, we're gonna go to the coldest water and end up at the warmest. This is the warmest called Pilon thermal pool. So this is gonna be our last stop. So if you like only warm water, you can get in here at the end of the trip, all right? Okay. So let's go to the cold waters and have a good time. Type of trees. This is precious wood.
Look how huge this tree is.
Right now in Costa Rica, it's illegal to cut down without permission. To get a permission, there's a lot of bureaucracy and you need to get a lot of permits. But I believe that's one of the key successes of Costa Rica and why we've been successful in the sustainable industry. That's one of the main attractions for you guys to come to our country.
All right, pro tip, guys. If you are not in the best of shape, I don't recommend this hike. It's a lot, but when they sell it to you, they tell you completely different, that it's like not that many steps, it's just a straight path, this, that, and the other. That, my friends, is very much the contrary. So I definitely do not recommend you do this if you are not in the best of shape. That's just a fact. There's no sugarcoating it or anything like that. Granted, the scenery is beautiful, but like I said, if you're not in the best of shape, I don't recommend at all. Because quite frankly, that's false advertisement, which in theory I get it, because they gotta sell you to make money, but
Because there's a strong river, but let's go and check it out. It's still a beautiful waterfall. Right?
so the waterfalls aren't in its blue state right now because it rained all morning, which is no big deal, but at the same time we can't get in the water because the current is too fast. Now look how dangerous this is. Made it to the bottom. Tour guide totally left us. It was a fork in a path. We didn't know which one to take. So I was just following the person in front of me, hoping it's the right direction. Because at this point, I don't know. Look at this. This wasn't mentioned in the brochure. Look at this. I clearly got the wrong shoes on. Y'all, the reviews about this tour with Nexus Tours, they gotta be false. They just gotta be, because there's no way. But yeah, y'all, save your money, book something else. All right, we made it to the hot spring. Y'all, so I'm in this I'm gonna call it a pond, because that's exactly what this is. They advertise it as a hot spring, but this is clearly not a hot spring, because if it was a hot spring you can see the steam, but there's no, it's just a pond, a man-made pond. That's literally all it is. Made it. The light at the end of the tunnel. The light at the end of the tunnel. It's over. It's time to eat. I'm starving. Let's see what they're gonna feed us. Let's see if the chicken and rice is any good.
All right, so this is the meal at the rainforest. We got the chicken and rice, got chips, and then we got some veggies. And we have blackberry juice and water. Looks really delicious. Okay, y'all, so we're leaving Sensoria. It was intense. It was a lot. I did not make it all the way through. Turned back. Couldn't finish it. It was a lot. So, a lot of steps, very intense. But good thing my husband got some footage. So, we are continuing back to the resort to get dinner. So, let's go.
All right, y'all, it's over. Lunch was pretty good. We are going back to the resorts. Everybody's saying no more. It was intense, like for real. It was very intense, but y'all have to be in very good shape to do this hike, because It's not for the faint of heart. If you got bad knees, don't do it. If you have health problems, don't do it. Because that's not what's mentioned when you book it. So I'm just letting y'all know. Prior to booking it, if you have any sort of health issues, don't do it. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay tuned for the next one.